Hello and welcome to Harris English Language Program. This is your teacher Gul Harris and this is my YouTube channel Harris English Language Program. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start our class today. Our class is about reading. Very important reading. Just listen and repeat the verse, but first you listen it carefully. The topic is My Father. My father is the most important person in my life and a true source of inspiration for me. He is a man of strong character, deep wisdom, and endless patience. From my childhood until now, he has always guided me with kindness and discipline. His words are simple, but they carry powerful lessons that shape my thinking and behavior every day. My father works very hard to provide for our family. No matter how tired he feels, he never complains. Instead, he teaches us the value of honesty, responsibility, and perseverance. He believes that success doesn't come easily, but through dedication and continuous effort. Watching him face life's challenges with courage has taught me to stay strong in difficult times. One of the things I admire most about my father is his integrity. He always speaks the truth and treats others with respect. He encourages me to be confident and to believe in myself, even when I feel unsure. Whenever I make a mistake, he doesn't become angry. Instead, he patiently explains what is right and helps me improve. My father is not only a provider, but also a teacher and a friend. He listens to my problems and gives me valuable advice. His presence gives me comfort and strength. I feel lucky and grateful to have such a caring and supportive father. In conclusion, my father is my hero. I hope to follow his footsteps and make him proud one day. His love and kindness are the foundation of my life, and I always respect and honor him. Difficult words. Listen carefully all the verse and try to learn its meaning both in Pashto and Dari. The first word is inspiration. Inspiration. Character. Character. Wisdom. Patience. Patience. Discipline. Responsibility. Responsibility. Perseverance. Perseverance. Dedication. Effort. Effort. Courage. courage, integrity, confidence, improve. Supportive, grateful, foundation, guidance, honor. Please write at least 3 sentences in the column box about the same words that you have learned today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the bell icon. It's Harris English Language Program Help. Good night. See you soon.